Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Chimma here again. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Chimma. I am a Nigerian based in South Africa, okay, and I make my videos from here. Yeah, so in today's video guys, I decided to do a mini get to know me tag. It's just going to be me telling you about myself, what I love, a little bit about my career and all. Yeah, so if you love this kind of video, then definitely keep on watching. Sometime in 2019 I did a first appearance on my channel, but I didn't really go into details about myself and all that. So in today's video I'll be doing that. I'll be asking myself a few questions that I got off the internet and I'll be answering them for you guys, okay? I'll be looking down most of the time because the questions are on my phone basically. So the first question I got here is, what is your full name? Okay, my full name is Chimma Esther Eze. When is your birthday? My birthday is on the 3rd of November. The other question I have here is, where were you born? That's the third question I have here. I was born in the western part of Nigeria, born in Lagos State, but I grew up in the eastern part of Nigeria, okay? Next question here says, married or single? I am married, yeah. How tall are you? Sincerely speaking, I don't know how tall I am. I've checked because I know during my youth service, I think, right? I can't remember where I checked my height, but I can't remember right now. I just know that I'm not short. I am not short at all, and I'm not very tall. I'm above average. Yes, I'm above average. And the next question on my list is religion. I am a Christian and I am a strong believer of Christ. What is your favorite color? Favorite color? To be sincere with you guys, I don't have a favorite color. I don't really have a favorite color. I just know that I normally gravitate towards the nude colors. I love white, I love nude, I love peach. Yeah, those nude colors. I don't really have a specific color that I would say this is my best color. I also love black as well. I love black as well. Question here says, do you have any brothers and sisters? Yes, I have one brother and 3 sisters. We are 4 in number. We are 4 girls and 1 boy. So I have a brother and 3 sisters. Okay, I'm the second born. What do you like to do in your free time? Free time. In my free time, what do I like doing? Most of the time when I'm free, I'm on my phone. I'm on the internet. Either I'm on YouTube or I'm on Instagram. So yeah. How old are you? I'm in my late 20s. Late 20s. I'm very close to 30. Yeah. What's your favorite animal? Guys, I don't have a favorite animal and I don't even like pets. It's the truth though. I don't like pets. You know that when I was growing up, we had dogs in our house, and there's this particular dog. His name is what's his name again? His name is Mighty. Is it Mighty now or the other one? Escort. Is that Escort or Mighty? I love this dog. I cared for this dog. I was feeding this dog. I used to buy milk for this dog with my money and everything. Every day I feed the dog. The dog really loved me then. So in the night when we are all about to go to sleep, this dog will not want to go to his cage. I will bring the dog into our room, like into our kitchen to sleep. If I should leave this dog outside, this dog will cry and cry and cry until I bring it into the house. Then on a certain weekend, I came back home and this dog was sick. I'm like, so all my money is about to go down the drain. We spent a lot of money. We took the dog to a doctor. They gave him immediately. That doctor gave this dog injections. I don't know if it's a quack doctor or something. This doctor vomiting and all. Hey, my heart was broken. Finally, this dog died. I think Escort, either Escort or Mighty. The dog died, and since then I'm like, no, I don't need any dog around me anymore. I don't want a situation whereby I'm going to give a dog or a pet my love, and at the end of the day that dog will die or something will happen, because I'm just going to be heartbroken. So since then I refused having any pet or anything. So yeah guys, I don't really have any pets now. What's your favorite movie? Movie. I'm not a movie person. To be sincere with you. The channel I know I love watching now basically is TLC. TLC is one channel I know I always watch now. And if you're in South Africa, you should know 157. I also watch 157 a lot. Moja Love, yes, I love that channel. And what makes you unique? I'm just unique in my own way. God created me to be unique. The next question says, what's your favorite thing about your career? The favorite thing about my chosen career now is the fact that I have time for myself. Like I am my own boss, if you understand what I mean. I'm just so happy that I'm working for myself. Yes, that's the favorite thing about my career right now. The next question says, what did you study and are you proud of it? I studied education accounting and I graduated in the year 2013. I went for my youth service and I did everything I'm supposed to do as a graduate, okay? Yeah, and to the part that says, are you proud of what you studied? I won't say I'm proud of what I studied, guys. I'm not going to categorically say I am proud of what I studied. Yes, I'm saying that I'm not so proud of what I studied because that's not what my calling is. Let me just put it that way. That's not what I would have loved to do. Yes, and I would like to say that if you're trying to choose a career for yourself, or if you're trying to choose a course of study, you should choose something you love. Yes, choose what you love. Go for what you love. Go for something you know that in years to come you're going to be happy you did. I'm one of those people that went for what was available and not what I wanted to do. Because when I took JAMB, if you're in Nigeria, you know what JAMB is. I don't know what they call it here. It is not matric. No, it's not matric, because matric is WAEC in Nigeria. So when I took JAMB, I wanted to go for economics, but eventually I didn't get that course. They gave me education accounting. And to be sincere with you guys, when I was in secondary school, I never learned accounting. I never entered any accounting class. We didn't even do it in my school back in the day. But I accepted that course because it's a little bit related to economics. But as time went on, okay, in my first year and my second year, I found it a little bit stressful and I never loved that course, to be sincere with you guys. I only started falling in love with that course in my third year and final year. Okay, that was when I decided to focus and like graduate. Yeah, but if you ask me, I'm not really proud of it. I know there are a lot of accountants out there, but that wasn't my calling, to be sincere with you. I remember while I was growing up, my mom used to tell me that I should go for that I'm a people-oriented person. So if I'm doing anything, I should go for a course that serves people. Yes, that was what my late mom told me. She asked me to go for a course that serves people, and I know within me that I am people-oriented. I love taking care of sick people. A lot of people can attest to this fact, okay? So I should have gone for something that I love, something that I just do effortlessly. Yes, I would have gone for something like that, but I didn't. So yeah, that's about it. I'm not so proud of what I studied, but yes, I am a graduate. Yeah. The next question says, what's your biggest complaint about your job? Okay, the biggest complaint about my job now is going to be the fact that sometimes it's a little bit draining, it's a little bit stressful, and you have to be the one to be in charge of your business. That's another, is like just like a sole proprietor. Okay, I'm the sole proprietor of my business. If my business is growing, I am the one in charge. If it's not growing, I'm to be blamed, you know. So that's just what I can say about my business. That's the highest complaint I'm going to give right now. You're the one who is going to be, you're the one who's going to market your business, advertise your business and all. So that's the only complaint. It's not really a complaint, because when you decided to be self-employed, you should be ready for this. The next question says, have you ever had a nickname? Yes, so I've had a nickname. If you're my friend from secondary school, you should know me as Simplicity. Yes. Those who know me from horoscope, yes, they know that my nickname is Simplicity. I'm so simple. I don't do too much, but if you ask for too much, I can give you. Yeah, so my nickname when I was in secondary school is Simplicity. And also when I entered university, I also gave myself Cherry. Yes, I gave myself Cherry. The reason why I gave myself Cherry is the fact that if you're a Catholic, you know that we do confirmation. When you receive your first Holy Communion, you're also going to do confirmation. Okay, and during confirmation, you're going to have another name. So during confirmation, I wanted Cherish, but the Monsignor said it's not a saint name, so I went for Sophia. But I still really love that name, then I stick with it. Cherry is my name. My name is Cherry. Yeah, my brand name is Francherry. Last but not the least, how would your friends describe you? How would my friends describe me? I just know that my friends would describe me as simple. My friends, they are going to describe me as simple, as private. My friends are also going to describe me as kind-hearted. I know that. Even my siblings, I know they will describe me as kind-hearted. I am soft at heart. So guys, that's just it about this video. This is a very quick video. I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about me, and if you really want to know more about me, follow me on Instagram, and my Instagram handle is Chimma_Francherry. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I did as well. I just wanted to tell you guys one or two things about me. The last time I did this was when I started my channel, and I didn't really go into details about myself and all. So I just decided to do this get to know me tag and also chit chat with you guys. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please click on that red button that says subscribe and click on the notification bell beside it so that you don't miss any upload from me. Okay, you get notifications whenever, you will be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video. Stay blessed. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. God bless you. Bye.